how to create a beauty and skincare essentials store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account in the platform. So here, go to a new window and type Shopify, and then choose the first link. Then choose again the first link, and then you will proceed to enter in your email to create your account. So here, just give it a few seconds to load, and here click on start free trial, then enter your email and you will have your account created. After that, this will be the dashboard that you will have, and in your left you have everything you need in order to customize your online store. So here we have the home, then we have the orders. This is where you can see all of your orders. You can see your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time as well. Then we have the products. This is where you can add a new product, or you can import products from other websites like CG Dropshipping if you are a dropshipper, or you can import from other websites. If you've already worked on some website, you can import your products from there and other websites like that. Then we have the online store. This is where you're going to customize or design your theme. So first, let's see how our store is looking like right now. So this is the current theme that we're using. It's down. So here, click on view your store to see how it's looking like. So here, this is our store and this is how it looks like. So let's start making some changes. So here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see the other available themes in the platform that you can use. So click on visit the theme store to see all of the available themes. So here, give it a few seconds to load. So here we have 174 themes that we can use, and most of them are paid themes, but there are some free themes that you can use. So here, click on free to see only the free themes, and here you can choose the theme that you'd like to use. So here, let's use a theme that will fit our requirements. So here we need to build a beauty and skincare essentials store. So let's make sure to choose a theme that will match that need. So here we have since, I think it's about skincare products. Let's see how it's looking like. Here, click on view demo store, and this is how it looks like. Glowing skin naturally. Shop our most trusted formulas. I think this theme fits our requirements. Click on try theme, and then you will have it installed in your page. So here, let's close the first window. We will not need it anymore. And here, give it a few seconds, then you will have the theme installed, and we will be ready to start customizing it. So here, it's been installed. Give it a few seconds, then we will publish it to have it as our current theme. So just wait for it to be loaded. I've already installed it in here, as you can see, since it's the same one like the one we want to use. So here it's the same. So let's click on publish, and then click on publish again to have it as your current theme. So here, your online store is password protected, and it's now our current theme. Click on customize, and then you will be able to change everything about your theme. So guys, I like working on Shopify because it's very easy to adjust your store in this platform. You will just need to click on whatever you'd like to change. For example, if I want to change the announcement bar, for example, I will just click on it. Then in my left, you will be able to change everything you like about it. So here, let's change the color, for example. Let's turn it to this color, or we can turn it to this one, or we can just leave it at the one that it's before. It matches this other color. And here, let's turn on this option and let's leave it at 5 seconds. Then let's go back and let's change what's written inside the announcement bar. Let's add another announcement, and here let's go with 50% off today, for example. Let's add only, and then let's go back. So here, watch it, you will see that it's rotating between these two announcements every 5 seconds, as you can see. And then, for example, let's change the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position to whatever you would like. Let's go with middle left, like that. It gives us more space, because if it was in the top center, you can see that it takes extra space. So let's save some space like that. And here, go to the theme settings in order to add your logo. So here you can select image from your desktop. So you can just go to canva.com, then create your own logo. For me, I'm going to choose some picture just to show you an example of how you can add your logo. For example, this picture, click on select, and here you can play with the width if you want it at 100 pixels, or if you want it just at 80, like that. And here you can select a fav icon image as well, and the fav icon image is the one that you will have in here. You will just take the logo and change the size of it, then upload it in here. And guys, after you're done with making all of the changes that you want to make in your design or in your theme, just make sure to click on save to save your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.